to state right before this vlog that I'm sorry I posted this really late because the video right now that I'm going to show you was recorded Thursday. Now it's Friday, so yeah, I just want to clear that up. I'm sorry. I'm probably going to do a vlog tomorrow, so yeah, let's get on to the video. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a nature video with my cousin Ella. So here it is. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll just be, well, as you saw, with my cousin Ella, and as I told you, well, my camera's all messed up, hold on. So there we go, that's better. It's not upside down anymore. I mean, it's not going to be upside down in post, but just gotta fix that. Okay, so let's go, Ella. So, whoa, guys, as you know, you see my penny board right here, it has grip, I put grip tape on it, so, oh my god, jeez. Okay, so, put grip tape on it, as you can see. Right there, and yeah. So guys, I've improved on my penny board skills, so see how much I've improved, I guess. Good, right? Oh god. So yeah, guys, it's not bad. So at least, so I'm way better at that. Look here, look what it looks like before this. Yeah, that's what it looked like before it was like that. So I mean, my grip tape job is okay. Like, look at it. Look at the edges. So, like, I don't know if that would be considered bad, like, to you guys, but, like, there's that. And then all around. I mean, it's pretty good from afar, but, like, this edge is just horrible. So, yeah, and you know how I like that. Put in the comments if you like the grip tape or just the penny board in general. Here we are, the hoverboard. comes Ella. You can't see her, but she's coming. Oh no, that was another bump. Here she is. As my remote control car, I've been hiding it from you all this time. I did a vlog before, I just never edited it, and I totally forgot. I just left it on that whole vlog that I was doing. It goes really fast. Okay, watch guys. Hold on, I'm gonna go out on the street and you'll see. No, record it like move it. Oh! Guys, I totally busted the front bumper of the stupid remote control car. Like, it's all plastic. It's all plastic, which is dumb. Like, none of it's metal. Oh, sorry. About this close up on my face. Oh, okay. There you go. So, yeah, it
totally broke?
no, it's just the front bumper. And the back thing to hold the shell on. But the shell already broke. So we said we were going to do a nature video, and that wasn't really nature, it was more just like outside playing, so let's go into nature.
Welcome to nature.
Welcome to nature.
This is in our own backyard. Not in the park. The backyard.
This is in Yellowstone National Park, guys, you know.
As you can see on the sapling.
Let's get a good shot on this sap right here. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's a nice shot on that sap right there.
Look at this hole.
Look at this hole. So
Sap comes from.
this hole, I'm gonna tell you a little story, guys. So this hole, me and my neighbors, we were here and we were back here, and what we did was we took a bunch of, from the garage, we took a bunch of like axes and like stuff, and then we just banged on this and made this huge hole. And my dad yelled at us because could kill the tree. But you know, the tree's all good and healthy.
Pretty big too.
For now. It's really big actually, yeah. It's like, I mean, it's actually a pretty good climbing tree. I'm not gonna climb it, but pretty good climbing tree. It's actually really nice under here. It's like, if you put this set up some chairs and stuff, you could like totally like, you could totally like have a nice thing to like, it's totally like over here, and then there's the house right over there. But yeah, this is like nature. This sap is crazy hard to get off of your hands. Hey look, it's Dutch, the dog.
That's the dog. Hi, puppy.
There he is. Oh, do you think we could find anything like over here?
No, not really.
I don't know. What's what? Wait, what's this? Are these bones? Oh wait. Oh, it's our tripod.
Put back in there.
Oh, I don't know. Look at how nice that looks. So it's like a picture. Hold on, get out of the shadow. It's like picture perfect. Talk about picture perfect, guys. Do you see this? Picture perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.